How does an AI know whether its prediction is right or wrong? The answer is ground truth data. Ground truth data is the accurate, verified information used as the reference answer when training and evaluating AI models. During training, AI compares its predictions against ground truth labels and learns from its mistakes. Ground truth data is used everywhere, from medical diagnosis and autonomous vehicles to spam detection and facial recognition. If the ground truth data is wrong or incomplete, the AI learns incorrect patterns and produces unreliable results. Think of ground truth data as the answer key for AI. Without it, measuring accuracy and building reliable AI systems would be impossible.